Hi, in this video we are going to download Windows 10. To download Windows 10, just search and go to first link of Microsoft ISO file, and you can update now if you are using previous Windows 10 version or any other Windows. If you want to install fresh, select the option create Windows 10 installation media, download the tool now. This tool will enable you to copy Windows installation files to your disk. It can be a CD disk or a USB. Accept the terms and condition. You can see next option is you can upgrade this PC or you can create a new USB flash drive, DVD, or you can download the ISO file. When you click next, it will give you option what you want to use. Mostly this architecture is used Windows. And if you would like to change the language, I will go with recommended setting for this PC. Click next. Now you can either download the file and you can burn it a DVD or USB later, or you can copy directly now to a USB flash drive. Let's try doing that. Okay, we can't find a USB drive. Have to plug it in. Yes, the drive is there. Try to refresh now. The USB flash drive is showing. Select it, click next. Yes, now it starts downloading Windows 10 latest version from the web. We have to wait till the progress is completed. Now our flash drive is ready. Let's try to install Windows on a PC. Now we are going to change the boot setup. We have plugged in the USB. This is Dell PC. You can change the boot sequence as per your PC's vendor. We are going to move USB storage to the top. Diskette and CD and onboard NIC, we don't want them to boot. Okay, apply and exit. The system has booted from the USB. Now it will give us the options. These are the options that we will be using. Select the same language. If you want to change, you can choose any other language given. This language can be selected as well when you are downloading, as we saw in the first part of the video. Click next and install now. When we go to install, it will give us further more options. it will ask us for the activation key. Always buy license from Microsoft, genuine license. It gives you guarantee that your application, your system, all the softwares, they are secure. uh, for now we can go with I don't have, because the license I have can be activated online. Now from these options you choose whichever you want. I will go with Pro, Windows 10 Pro. What is the difference? Windows 10 Home, they have limited edition. Windows single language edition Home. Education is mostly for educational institutions. They will activate that with that license. Windows 10 Pro and Pro N will be activated with the Pro license. They have more features than the basic Windows 10. Basic means home or education. Accept the agreement, read the terms. Next, let's customize. Now we have this 220 GB. Let us format this. We can even delete this partition and delete this second partition as well, so they become one partition. Okay, we delete all the spare partitions because we want to install it totally fresh. Click new and you can choose. This is about 228 GB or 230 GB. You can reduce it or keep as it is. Click apply, click OK. Now it will create the new partition, format it, and after selecting the bigger part, click next. I'm selecting the bigger part because I want to install all the softwares on the C drive. If you want to install on the other drive, you can use that. Now while the system copies all the files and installs, we'll fast forward this and go to the end where we can launch the Windows 10. Now let's select the region. We are going to select US. Click next. You can choose the region as per your area. We are going to add US keyboard. If you want to add another layout, you can click add and select from the given list. Let's say we add Arabic, Saudi Arabia. Next, if you want to add this layout, fine, 101 or 102. Let's try to connect to our Wi-Fi. Connecting to internet or Wi-Fi is necessary because it will get all the drivers updates. Either connect with the Ethernet or connect with Wi-Fi. Using Wi-Fi, whatever the system you will be using, if it's a laptop, better connect Wi-Fi. Set up for personal use. If it is a company, then only go with that so it can join with the domain. If you don't want to use, you can use online account. If you don't want, just simply click here offline account and they will tell you you can get more services. If you go online, click next, it will take you back to the same page. Just click limited experience. I will connect later. You can choose your name, click next, choose password, repeat the password. It will ask you some security questions. I will hide that. Done. After you put the password, select the three security questions in case you forget the password. These are privacy settings, what you want to enable. You can change these settings now or enable them later, or leave them enabled and you can disable them later from control panel. What services you will be using, what will be your experience: entertainment, gaming, school, and business and creativity. Accept. If you want to choose all, choose all. If you want to choose only school, select only one. Not now. They again want us to go online. I'm not yet ready. I am just showing you how to install Windows 10. For online version, there is another Windows Online. We can create a separate video for that. Yes, as it says, this might take several minutes. So this is how you install Windows 10 on a PC or a laptop. Thank you for watching the video.